Hey guys, George from Florida Parks After Dark. I'm here with one of my partners in crime.
Addie.
And so we are here at
Jumbo
Jumbo House. Sorry, we're at Kidani a minute ago. So really we just came out of the mall and got a little food.
The Mora is their convenient
Counter
grab and
service.
go.
Yeah. So we thought, hey, we're here, you're not, let's show you. So down a long way here, here's our pool area. I just want to show you that. We're not going to go in per se, we're just going to kind of show you over top here what it looks like. And here's kind of pool area. Now that back there, that thatched hut area, that's a bar. And it's just a pretty simple pool. What they do have in that back corner over there, they have a slide that goes in the pool. We stayed here, and the pool area is really just kind of nice. Now, I'm sure you get a sense on this. What we love about Animal Kingdom Lodge, either one, is how immersive it is. And on cue, the music comes on. Like I paid it. So really, it's just, you kind of get lost out here. And so we love it. This is a larger resort, so it has a little more to offer than Kidani, where we just were, which is a small, more intimate resort. But either are just really fantastic. So listen, we're going to take you guys in to the lower level where the restaurants are, take you up in the lobby, let you see what the lobby looks like. And then we're going to go out in the savannah and see if we see any animals, maybe a giraffe or a zebra, however they look. There we go. And one of the things that really caught us was how far away you feel because of Disney magic and how close you really are when it's said and done. So, now real quick, this is Chico. Chico is their high-end restaurant, and if it was open, I'd take you guys in. But this just gives you a sense of some of the appetizers they have. It's like raised wild boar tenderloin. I mean, it's
This is upscale.
This is upscale, high end. We put a little frou-frou-y in our household. It gives you a sense of what they have. So that's kind of the menu. Very fancy, we say. Elevator's just open up. So I'm going to sneak around the back here. And this is Boma. This is Boma, and they have dinner from 5 to 9:30. Just give you a look at this. So Boma is table service, but just kind of get a feel for the space. It's really done very well, and I think that's what I like about Disney as a whole, is they don't waste the opportunity to really take advantage of it. Now what's great about Boma, it has an open kitchen. Now look, I cook. To be able to see people prepare food, I think is really a neat way to do it. So we're going to be going up there. So let's go. So what's great about Animal Kingdom Lodge as a whole is everything on the detail and the fact that they really move you along in a way that makes you really kind of feel immersed, and that's going to be what I keep using for this place. As you come up one level up from the restaurant section is this area. Now real quick, that's Boma from up here. Just so you get a sense of how big that space is. And this is their bar area. And guys, this is just not great.
Very small and intimate.
And it's very small, intimate. Words you're going to hear is immersive and intimate with us today. It's our favorite words of the day. But as you go up one more level, then you're on lobby. So we're going to just kind of show you the lobby here. And this is a lobby. Sounds like I'm going to start doing drumming in a second. And then that big glass area in the back there, that is actually out to the Serengeti Plain, which we're going to take a stroll. Because one of the great things is they have these overlooks. So you're up above it on this level. You can actually literally look down at the animals and get a really great perspective on it. That's the lobby area. We're actually wondering if we're going to see characters today, but they're not. Another little neat thing. There's a little fire pit. Now it's Florida, it's warm, but there's a little fire pit you can sit kind of relax by. It's pretty cool. We're going to sneak around here. And there are some animals out there, so we're going to see if we can see them from the overhang. So we're going to come out here with us real quick. Alright, so now. Above where the Australian plane is. And there's a giraffe. And a zebra. Let's go and let you guys see that.
There's 2 giraffes. There's another one back there.
Oh, there he's walking. Let's zoom back out a little bit so I can see both. That is what is awesome about this resort as a whole. Is that you can just see things like that just because it's here. So that's the 2 giraffes eating. I'm going to come around this way. And right now, I think it's because of the time of the day, they're real active. So there's some other animals out there. And I thought I saw a zebra down this side too as well. But this is what really makes this space neat. So this is kind of the, as the bird flies into frame, that's timing again. So this is just how it looks. This is the rooms that really ring the Serengeti, so you get a chance really to have a room where you can come out, have your coffee, and watch animals. Makes it really a great space. And then this comes back to the great house. This is the other area you can come stand outside where we are. And there's the lobby. So listen guys, we are gonna go watch your ass a little bit and have a good time. George from Florida Parks Park. You guys have a fantastic day. And like and subscribe, it does cost you nothing. Take care.